Hello and welcome to the podcast series Voices of Innovation Shaping the Future of Tech Education. I'm your host Dr. Sonam and we are going to talk about decide your degree and design your curriculum. And to have this conversation with us, we have our guest Professor Shamik Tiwari, Dean School of Computer Science and Engineering. He's a renowned academic leader and AI expert. He has been ranked globally among world top 2% scientists by Stanford and Elsevier. He has a rich experience of over 22 years in academia, research, innovation, with major contribution towards artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, and transforming higher education. So welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Sonam, for this generous introduction. So the question is about the decide your degree, design your curriculum. So at the School of Computer Science at IILM University, Gurgaon, after the implementation of NEP 2020, we are very flexible about the degree programs here. Especially if you see the industry, the focus of the industry is shifting from the degree-based education to the skill-based education. So in line of that, how we crafted our curriculum. We crafted a curriculum based on decide your degree, design your curriculum. That means that, so out of the span of 4 years, there are multiple options for the degree programs. Multiple entry, multiple exits are there. So suppose you start your journey at the first year and you finish your 40 credits. After the first year, if you are skilled enough and you get some opportunity in the industry, you can move to the industry and you will get the certificate from School of Computer Science here. Later, if you wish to continue and you go for the 2 years program, we will offer diploma in computer science. For 3 years, we will offer BSc in computer science. For 4 year program, obviously the degree is BTech. Apart from this, if somebody is looking to focus in the research, we have a BTech research degree option. Instead of focusing on the honors program, somebody is looking for the PG programs, so he can opt for the BTech honors. We have the provision for that. Somebody want to continue his path for the PG, so after 4 years, within a year, he will get the MTech degree. Somebody wish to continue journey ahead, go for the PhD program, and next 2 years he can finish his PhD. So this is how the decide your degree means there are multiple degrees options are there. And once you decide your degree, you have to select your electives, you have to select your curriculum. That's why the title is decide your degree, design your curriculum.
Okay, great to hear, sir. So now that we have understood the concept, let's talk about the new education policy 2020, in which we basically focus on student-centric and interdisciplinary approach. So how in your school curriculums are being designed to consider these points?
Our school has adopted an adaptive NEP 2020 in well-defined manner. So there are a few points with NEP. The first point, it talks about the multiple entry and multiple exit. So as I told in the first question, there are multiple entry options, multiple exit options. It is there. NEP talks about the value-added courses. We have planned value-added courses. They are integrated in the curriculum. NEP talks about ability enhancement courses. Yes, it is integrated in our curriculum. NEP talks about the skill enhancement education. It is integrated in our curriculum. And apart from this, the most important is NEP talks about the experiential learning. To have wonderful experiential learning in our curriculum, we have taken multiple measures. One of the measure we have taken is the 50% of our curriculum is based on the experiential learning, hands-on learning, where students dirty their hands and they learn by practice, learn by doing. So this is how we have adopted and adapted the NEP in our curriculum.
Okay, great. So now let's talk about students' experience. We all know that students don't want to just attend lectures and read textbooks. So what are the new teaching pedagogies or teaching methodologies you are implementing in your learning at IILM University to make learning basically more engaging and as well as effective?
So there are some common learning approaches, pedagogies in the teaching learning practice, and everybody is talking about that. The one is blended learning. Yes, we have implemented in our school. The second is flipped classroom. Yes, it is there. Apart from this, our focus is based on the project-based learning. The PBL is a concept where students develop a project and they work on some real life project, that can be matched with their curriculum. So around out of 50-60 courses of our curriculum, we have identified 15 courses where a student has to do some project based learning. So this is how we are improving the experiential learning and hands-on training in our school, and we are improving the student experience in our school through the innovative teaching learning pedagogies.
Great. So those who are going to take admission here are going to get benefit from this experiential learning,
Yes,
I'm sure.
Definitely.
So moving ahead, so we all know that there is always a talk about skill gap in between what basically students learn in their universities and what companies actually demand when they hire freshers. So how your school is trying to fulfilling that gap, and how you are making your students future ready or industry ready, I would say.
This problem we have tried to solve with multi-directional solutions. The one solution which our school is providing is we reached out the industry partners, we reached out the recruiters, we identify the career tracks for each and every program we are offering at our school. Just for example, if you take an example of IIML, we reached to the industry, we identified what are the career tracks are there, what skills are required to reach to that track, to crack those tracks, and we integrated, we mapped our courses, specialized courses, professional minors with those career tracks. So this is the one milestone we have taken, one initiative we have taken in our school.
Great. So are there any industry tie-ups as well?
Yes, we have.
Okay.
Even I would love to announce that the kind of tie-up we initiated at our school, none of the university in the India is offering that kind of tie-up. So we have co-partner, we have industry partner, and we also have an industry co-partner for multiple programs in our school. Just for example, for AIML, for generative AI, and for data science, we have partnered with the JBA and we co-partner with the Microsoft. So both industries are coming together to deliver the curriculum, to enrich the curriculum, to offer the real life projects, to offer the internship opportunities, and also for the placement assistance. So this model we are working out. Apart from the JB and Microsoft, we partner with the L&T, we partner with the SCL, we partner with the AWS Academy, we partnered with the Microsoft in different way. So there are multiple industry partners are on board, and we aligned our curriculum with all those requirements.
Okay, so we can say that when our student will pass out from their BTech program, they will be industry ready and they will have enough certifications to
Perfect, definitely,
to get
definitely,
job, right?
Definitely.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir. As we wrap up, so would you like to give any message to our listeners, those who are going to embark their journey, in BTech or in any course?
Yes, sir. I would like to talk about the BTech CSE especially. The students, those who are listening, that the most dumb device in the world is computer. Why it is most dumb device? Without computer engineer, even it cannot start. Nobody can start a system without you. So let us join this journey, make an innovative world, join the journey where AI is disrupting each and every field. So I welcome all of you at IILM.
So thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and inspiring conversation, from policy to pedagogy to partnership. I hope our listeners have learned a lot and they are now able to decide their degree and design their curriculum, I'm sure. So stay tuned for the upcoming episodes with our leaders shaping the future of innovation. I'm your host, Dr. Sonam. Until next time, signing off from Voices of Innovation.